Regular. Regular ang lingkod rin.
Acknowledging the arrival of our municipal vice mayor, the Honorable Giselle Busebaba.
Sambali, la sipin na sambali. Ito po nito mo na rin. Ano ito nagkaroon ha? Sabi ano? Ano ito libahin na ito?
Oo, magandang itong artista.
Isa na po ito sa una?
Maayaw ka mga celebrities. Araw kayo matulog sa tulog sa buwan ng sa Timog Pilipinas. Nagkakaya ko sila sa libro nila. Kaya kayo sila ito ang pasalamat sa mga kinawag ng pagkakita nila. Kaya nila pasalamat sa maayong abot
liho sa liho aron mas mapalangkong pa nato ang turismo sa atong lungsod. Ang pamisitran karon ang paglog sa Maya. Let's witness the opening ritual of the Glog sa Maya, Palat-Palat 2024 of Municipality of Bayog.
Pwede na kumagabit. Kintiran mo kayo.
Ikinaglang kayo ka i-preserve. Kaya nakatapos kumitang rin ato ipapakapag sa tanan rin na ang tradisyon o kultura sa ito kasubalit iyon alin ay kalitong kanaw.
Ang reputasyon ng kanyang mundo, ang Indonesia, alam ko may marami siya ang kato. Bukala na rin ang kato, bukan na mga kanyang mundo. Hindi siya ang tanto, hindi siya ang tanto. Buwan siya kung kami na.
Galing pa yung gusto na ito, ilang pa yan, pag-iusa. Walay Kristiyano, walay karanahan, walay
Dapat.
Pinag-hindi, pinag-ibig ang tao sa iyo ang ulit na natin ang sumalik sa ama. So, delikado tayo.
Gini yung pipabo.
kayo ang kalangkuhan ng kita na paakot sa inyo ato ang mga
Berlehate, Honorable Jonel Bakbak, Honorable Romualdo Godin, Honorable Antonio Ocarisa, ex-officio member Liga ng Barangay President Alberto Yagos, and our SK Federated President Kent G. Kyle Godin. To our department heads and employees headed by the Municipal Administrator, Mr. Virgilio Q. Zamora, our DepEd family, fire officers headed by Municipal Fire Marshal, Senior Fire Officer 3 Geoffrey O. Cantal, to our men and women in uniform, other national government agencies, heads of the clustered barangays, sponsors, awardees, board of judges, board of tabulators, guests, visitors, and friends, fellow public servants, and of course, to our distinguished guest for tonight, who will be properly introduced later. Good evening. Tonight, we celebrate the great contribution of the individuals working for the people. Each one of us play a vital role in shaping the well-being of our community. Public service is not merely a job we do every day, but it is a commitment to serve others beyond what is written on our job descriptions. It is the backbone of our society that encompasses diverse responsibilities, all aimed at serving for the greater good. Everything seems easy, but public service is not without its challenges. It requires courage to confront difficult issues and make tough decisions that oftentimes cause you to face criticisms. Naay mga higayon nga dili masabtan sa uban ang atong desisyon mao masuko sila nato. Apan kinahanglan nga ato yung panindigan ang atong desisyon kung kini para sa kaayuhan sa kadaghanan. And more than anything, public service requires us to uphold integrity and to never betray the public's trust placed in us even in the face of temptation. Bisan walay naglantaw, kinahanglang buhaton gihapon ang sakto ug matarong. And as part of our celebration, it has been our tradition to recognize and commend the people who have brought honor in one way or another to our beloved town, Bayog. And with that, I would like to congratulate all our awardees. Some have already spent a considerable amount of time in public service, while others are yet to venture into the world of government service. Also, this is the night given to our fellow public servants to not just show their talents, but to give them break from work and just enjoy and be merry. Before I end, I would like to share a quote from an American author and educator, Booker T. Washington. He wrote, "Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others." In perspective, some people think of happiness as something that is internal and almost selfish, but if you really want to become happy, you have to serve other people. In conclusion, I encourage everyone to remain steadfast in your sworn duty and may find joy in serving others with a smile daily. Let us continue to embrace the spirit of public service and strive to make a meaningful impact in our communities. Thank you and welcome to our Government Night and Miss Bayog 2024 Preliminary Competition.
Ng Society or Samahang Tagapagtaguyod ng Katutubong Sayaw ng Pilipinas. Currently, a full-time instructor at Far Eastern University. Let's give a round of applause to Mr. Realwood Kumi. Our fifth judge, at the same time our chairman of the Board of Judges, is a former regulation officer, marketing officer, and internal quality auditor of Department of Tourism Region 9, an alumnus of Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Dipolog Campus, and the prominent talent group, the Masalang Talents Guild, a stage performer, artistic director, an event organizer, host, and a pageant advocate and consultant. Hail from the municipality of Leon V. Postigo, province of Zamboanga del Norte. He is the public relations officer for and officer in charge of the Provincial Tourism Office of Zamboanga del Norte. Please welcome Charles Anthony Cordero Rotoni. Welcome to the municipality of Bayog, sir. And of course, our members of the Board of Tabulators, we have there, headed by Mr. Rene U. Astillero and Mr. Marvel Olores, and of course, our friends from the Encotec Pagadian City, for the technical support of our Board of Judges. And here's now the criteria for the 3 exposures of our 8 lovely candidates for tonight. For the casual attire, beauty and appeal 30%, suitability to the wearer 30%, stage presence 25%, audience impact 15%, with a total of 100%. For the preliminary question and answer, delivery of speech 30%, confidence and overall presence 20%, content of the answer 50%. And the last is the Subanen-inspired attire. Cultural relevance 30%, beauty and appeal 25%, suitability to the wearer 20%, stage presence 15%, audience impact 10%, with a total of 100%. Exceptional women have dared to join the competition, vying for the most coveted crown of Miss Bayog 2024, and only 8 of them can advance to the next round. Last April 1, they finally proclaimed as our final candidates for Miss Bayog 2024. How it happens? Let's watch this. Gentlemen, we are going to reveal tonight our beautiful official candidates for Miss Bayog 2024 Sashi and contract signing.
sa atong mga sangguniang bayan, headed by our beloved Municipal Vice Mayor Josil Lorenzi Mabasa, department heads and other key officials, headed by our Municipal Administrator, Sir Virgilio Q. Zamora, our Vice Chief of Police in the Municipality of Bayog, Major Bahaw. Of course, ato po atagan ng information ang bago natin na-install ka Fire Marshal sa atong lungsod. Si Fire Marshal, Senior Fire Marshal Officer 3, Jopri Cantal, and his group. To my wife, Giselle Iris Matias, who is the Municipal Coordinator of the Women's, our cluster heads, nga nag-representar sa upat na itong clusters. We have Cluster 1, the Honorable Maricel Pidoga. Cluster 2, the Honorable Ernesto Cagas. And Cluster 3, Honorable Edward Romang. Cluster 4, Honorable Danilo Saulo. Of course, ato pong i-recognize atong mga jurado. We have the Board of Judges, Sir Charles Anthony Rotoni, the Chairman, Railroad Komi, our very own son, Bayog, Ma'am Adil C. Imagat, Attorney Jordan Atilano, Arpil Roy Vidal, atong amigo. Of course, tabulators, headed by Sir Rene Astillero, and members sa atong mga taga-DepEd, sa tanan atong mga empleyado sa atong lungsod, sa tanan, and of course, sa dili pa ko moabot sa akong speech, ang atong pinasilugang bisita, who will be rendering his speech, and he will be introduced later. Fire Chief Superintendent Jerry Candido. Sa tinuod lang, isod kayo natong baon at time ni RD Candido tungod kay busy kay siya na tao. But I personally came to the office of the region and I personally invite him to be a guest of speaker sa atong himong ng government nights. Kay lagi gusto na ko na makatagpon sa mensahe para sa atong mga sama natong mga empleyado sa gobyerno. Karong gabi na ato ginisang gigahin nga gabi para sa tanan natong mga government officials and employees in either national and local. Tungod kay kung atong tanaw at bayo sa pagkakaroon ng status, naglibing up na yun ang bayo. Kining tanan because of all the efforts extended to us, especially sa tanang mga department heads and the national government agencies who in one way or the other matagkaroon na po niyan. Naagayon sila nagasuporta sa atong programa sa Luzon. That's why, karong gabi na atong isang gigahin, gusto na ko kamatagan of recognition o gusto ko na ko kamahimo na ito silang ikasandurot ng gabi na aging pagpasilugog sa tanan nga mga empleyado sa national o local government. Bayog now is in the limelight of showbiz, as you can see. It becomes, Bayog now, it becomes the center of public attention. Daghan kayo magpangutana. Why Bayog nag-inunana? Kaprestiyoso ang ilang mga presentation. Nga ang Bayog maka-invite man o mga dagkong artista, and why not others ganong dili man mahimo sa mga dagkong sa kanungsod ng syudad. Mga kaisonan, this is part and parcel of the program of the municipal government in lieu of the municipal tourism office. Gusto nato nga ang Bayog mabutan sa mapa sa turismo. Nga diin, pinaagi sa mga dagkong artista na atong dagon sa lungsod sa Bayog. Public now, ma-aware ang atong mga kasingpit ng mga lungsod ng mga syudad. Nga ang Bayog, giduaw sa mga dagko kay artista. And it be na kung mahimo atong kung duawon kung sa ngayon ang Bayog. Kaya sa mga tinudlan ang lungsod sa Bayog is nata sa center, sa tripartite center sa tulong ang probinsya. Ganiman, gusto ko nga makakuha o tatawag guest speaker para sa atong coronation night. Atong Martes dito ko sa Senate, naka-story na ko si Senator Bato, si Senator Gatchalian, si Senator Ligarda, pero nakalik na kayo kaya lagi adlaw man sa session sa Senate. Ang dugay-dugay na kung naka-istorya si Senator Bato. Kasi matod pa niya, Mayor, ganahan din ko muduha o pangalungsod. But sad to tell you na Monday, Tuesday, Thursday is a session day of the Senate. Kaya ganit pagkabot na mo ito, si Senator Bato, nag-conduct pa siya of Senate hearing sa taga-Pilia, katong banking of Shabu na nadakpan. Bawa katong ating patawag na hearing. Pagbatog pa niya, even if dili siya makatambong physically, batog pa niya, he will give a video message para pagmahalipay sa katawag sa lungsod sa Bayog. And with that, walang nasatisfy na ko. And other senators are willing to give their message by way of we call video message para lang yun tumatagan ang recognition ang ika-57th anniversary sa lungsod. And rest assured, by Monday, mabot na daw, matod pa, and that will be played before the start of the budget. Mga kaigsunan, nanikamot ang pag-ayo nga ang lungsod sa Bayog, may batik sa mapa, madungog sa tibok Pilipinas. Labi na, kaya Bayog karon is growing stronger. Sa tanan, palagpalan, happy 57th annual anniversary. Good evening.